Gagawa tayo ng cabbage roll. So, mayroon tong sibuyas, onions, carrots, pepper, yellow ginger or curcuma in Espanol, garlic, 1 cloves of garlic, and a little bit sugar and soy sauce. Then I put also salt. So it was already marinated for the whole night. And here my cabbage. So we just cut this one and take out this hard part, and we have to put in the pot. When the water is boiling, we have to put the washed cabbage. And now let's start. Get the hard part of the cabbage. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Kasi, ito ay ma-overcook kapag yun ay hilaw pa. Medyo matigas pa yun. Tapos, ang mga dahon ay luto na. So, hindi siya pwedeng magsama. So, kaya tinanggal ko yung matigas na part. I-wash natin with cold water. Let's put a little bit of salt. Just to make sure the color is the same when you cook it. Yan na siya. Ayan, siguro mga after 3 minutes, pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Then, why we cook first, why we should have to pre-cook the cabbage. First, matigas siya. The cabbage is so hard. So, when you put the meat, might be damage the cabbage leaves. So, kailangan i-pre-cook. That's why I used to pre-cook the cabbage first before I put the meat. This is how it looks, the pre-cooked cabbage and ready to put the meat. And steam natin siya ng mga 40 minutes. Then, pag natikman mo yan, ang sarap kasi super lambot na nung cabbage.